Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove Apple ID without password. First, open your settings and then tap on your profile. It says Apple ID, iCloud, Media, and Purchases. Now, as you can see in here, once I press sign out, it will ask for an Apple ID password. So we'll click cancel, go back. Now go to general, scroll down, and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. And then tap erase all content and settings. As you can see in here, it says that erasing will sign out of your Apple ID and remove your personal data. So once you continue, your Apple ID will be signed out to your phone without password. And that's how to remove Apple ID without password. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.